All right, so hopefully the audio's on. Hopefully this audio doesn't sound bad. I think in my last video, the audio was a little off. Uh, so hopefully this audio is better. And yeah. So that's that. Let's talk about something, right? Um, if you teach someone how to fish, they can eat on their own. They can eat for forever, right? But if you fish for someone else, right? Then they're limited. Okay. The whole purpose of this channel is to, help you guys learn essentially how to fish, right? And you know, like in all of my videos, I'm very humble from coming from the place of, I don't know it all, but what I do know, I'll share. And I'm in my own lane, right? Not competing with anyone. We've had 2 days in the market in 2024, and we've been very, very profitable, very successful. Everything that I've done in the market, I have shared um, through my trading view channel. And I got a lot of crap going on in the background. So let's ignore that and we will get into this a little bit more, right? So, GJ, I've been emphasizing GJ lately because that's kind of the pair that I've been focused on. Haven't really been looking at gold. Um, if you go on my channel, I actually called like that last outburst on gold before it just shot like to new highs. And then after that, I was pretty much done with gold. I'm waiting on it to sizzle down and we can hop back in for some sales. So I'll do an analysis on gold and post that to this channel. Um, but GJ, let's get into GJ and look at GJ. All right, let me share my screen here. All right. Hopefully you guys can see my screen. So with GJ, what I want to talk about, right, is structure. So in my last video, I talked about the importance of trading specifically off of market structure, just off of market structure, and looking at different levels and how the market reacts at different levels. Now, if you look at my little background here, I have a little cool little chart, okay? And then on my chart, right, when market is in a downtrend, okay, market tends to make lower lows and lower highs, okay? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, okay? All right, now, with that being said, let's look at GJ. All right, so we're on the 4 hour time frame. I'm a day trader. I'm not really taking my positions um on higher time frames like the week. I don't really have a need to look at the weekly chart. I look at the daily chart sometimes when I'm trying to think about it from a week perspective, if that makes sense, because I can see a week on the daily chart. If you're catching my drift. Um, but yeah, so if we look at GJ, right? GJ has been blessing me. I call like 96 pips on Monday, and then today's Wednesday. So yesterday on Tuesday, I caught 26 pips, and that did a lot for my portfolio. Again, you guys can use your own risk management. I'm not a financial advisor. I am not here to tell you what to do or to give you specific financial advice. I'm just here to talk about the markets and talk about my biased opinion and things that I'm learning in my journey, right? So enough talking, hoopla ha ha. So I said everything I said about a downtrend, right? Check this out, okay? If you guys are looking at the graph behind me, okay, you're looking for those lower lows and lower highs, okay? Let's look here, okay? The black line, like I said in my last video, the black line is going to represent the highest GJ has been in the past couple of months, all right? That's the highest GJ has been in the past couple of months, not ever, but in the past couple of months. So based off of that data, I'm using market structure. I'm using a few things here. I'm using market structure. I'm using history, and I'm using basically how the market reacts at certain levels. Levels market structure and history. That is the combination. That is the gold combination. Okay, that's the golden key. Now, you see, after that high, market structure came and made a lower low, when it made a lower high. It made a lower low, when it made a lower high. Okay, and now it's in the middle of making a lower low. And in this video, I'll kind of get into my analysis on what I think will happen uh as far as what type of trades I'm looking to take as far as tomorrow, all right, or in the morning or tonight, depending on if I get in tonight's session. So automatically on the 4 hour, when I see that GJ is making lower highs on a higher time frame, I zoom into that lower time frame to get my entry. Okay. So now when I go into the 1 hour, and so this is the move that I caught today. Crazy move, by the way. GJ just dumped. The news came out and GJ just completely just shot down. All right. Again, very, very great move. I caught 67 pips today. Again, all of that is documented on my trading view over here. Okay. So you can find everything that I'm telling you on my trading view. If you guys have it, I don't really subscribe you guys to go and do things where you have to spend extra money. But trading view is a great place where you can go do some charting, get a community of people who are also on their trading journey as well. So once I spotted those lower highs being made, I go into my lower time frame to find my entry point. Okay. As you guys, if you watch my prior video, you'll see how I caught which was it, how I caught the move over here. All right, you'll see how I caught this move here. All right, now how I caught today's move. So when you see that lower high being made, okay, you're looking at the levels. So each blue line here represents my QP levels. Now, I need to do a video on QP levels, so I'll do that. That's a great reminder, self-reminder. So look here, all right, a few pivotal things happened here. A few pivotal things happened here. So look here, all right, this candle here, okay, and look at the end of my arrow, not this end. Nothing happened over here. All right. So what happened was this candle breaks my 4 hour supply. Okay. This red zone served as my 4 hour supply. Once that candle broke my 4 hour supply and that QP level that I have here, that 187 level, all I was doing according to my formula is looking for a retest. Okay. So if I want to see that retest on a more magnified level, it looks like this candle here. Okay, this candle here. This was the retest. Very quick. It happened very quick. I got off a couple entries in that very quick retest. After that retest, boom, it dropped. All right, boom, it dropped. Okay, and then now this is where market is currently right now. All right. So that break and retest, that's it. I'm not like a lot of these financial YouTubers, trader guys who want to sit here and tell you about all the magical and wonderful indicators and tools, and this is what you need to make $1 million. No, I haven't made $1 million yet. So, can't really talk on that. But I can talk about what I am seeing success from. And like I said, I've had a very successful 3 days, and we've caught over 200 pips in the past 2 days or 3 days. So, well, really in the past 2 days, yeah, because the first day I caught like 97 pips. Second day, I think it was like 60 something. Third day, so we did very well, is what I'm trying to say. And I say we because these ideas are posted on my trading view again. So, and I talk about them after the fact here on YouTube, so you can take this video and try to apply it to your account if you want. This is just my biased opinion though, again. So if you take that, now let me show you how I use history. Okay. I zoom all the way out. And it doesn't really matter. Okay, yeah, I'm looking at the charts and it's like it looks weird, right? charts definitely look weird when it's zoomed out like this, right? But look here. The last time market structure broke this particular 4-hour supply, it had been a minute, man. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's see. Did it actually break this supply? Okay. All right, because as you can see, it served like this supply area was very, very favored. Like every time market structure came here, it bounced off, right? Going to try to make a higher high. That happened, and now we're coming off of that high, which is why, excuse me, which is why I'm saying we're gonna see a lot more downside momentum. But let me try to find this right quick. Yeah, it was a while ago. Here it is right here. So it was like in December was the last time market structure broke that 4-hour supply. Okay. And when it broke, it went down actually to, I have a chart here, is this black line, to touch like the 178, guys. So I'm not saying that that is what GJ is gonna do. I'm just using this opportunity to kind of show you guys what, because these are great break and retest entries that I have been getting lately. Okay. And again, whenever something breaks and retests, it's not guaranteed that it's going to continue in that direction, right? It's not guaranteed. It's highly favored depending on where that level is. Like where market structure is now, I would never take a trade here. You know, I wouldn't look to take any buys here. I think that sellers are just in control right now based off these very large bearish candles. Sellers are in control. When I did post this buy the other day, I posted the buy based off of my strategy. It was successful. I got out here. I didn't stay in here just because I saw just market structure started to move a little funny. But that's me using the break and retest formula to catch a buy and then turn around and be patient and catch a major dump off, right? And I actually could have entered here, if we're using the break and retest strategy. Okay, this 187,500 level, that's a highly favored level if you do some back testing. Okay, this video will be super long if I sit here and do all the back testing with you guys. But I did do some back testing in my video I posted yesterday. So, again, there was a break, okay? There was a break to the downside, there was a retest, and then it continued to push down. Okay, as you can see, what did it do here? It rejected off that level. It rejected off that level. So once it made it to this level, I could have said to myself, hey, it's rejecting. Maybe this is going to push down. Okay. But, I waited. I waited till I was patient until I saw what I wanted to see from the market. All right. Using strictly market structure. All right. So now we'll quickly go over, and it's just like that. That's how simple my thoughts are when approaching the market. Making sure that I'm applying proper risk management, okay, and going from there, right? Not always trying to have a $2,000 week. If I have a $500 week or $400 week, I'm able to take that money and do things that I need to get done. All right. That's purposeful trading. All right. Now, of course, I want to build my capital up to a point where I'm able to have those $2, $5, $10,000 weeks. And it's all in time, though. If this industry hasn't taught me anything, it is patience, right? It is patience. Still learning, though. Like I said, still learning. So my thoughts on tomorrow. So let me delete this because this is from yesterday. Okay, so we got that out of the way, and now we're looking at pure market structure. We already know that this market is making lower highs on a higher time frame. Go to the 1 hour. Okay, it's at the 186 QP level. Now, my thoughts based on what's going on here, the history. Sellers are in control. All right. So what's ideal for me, all right, where I will get in this trade in the morning, tonight, whenever, whenever I see this happen is when I'll enter this trade. All right, let's find this. All right, I want to see market structure break this QP level. I want to see a retest of that level, and then I want to see a continuation. All right. And then I want to see a continuation. Now, however that happens, it could break, retest, consolidate, then drop to the next level. But as long as we maintain, let's see, as long as we maintain, once we break, and this is the 1 hour, so I'll make sure not to conflict my colors. I'll make this like yellow. All right, as long as we maintain under this QP level, okay? And I just drew a box over it so you can really see what I mean. But as long as we maintain that pressure under there, we're going to the downside. Break, retest, continuation. All right, so I can bring this note, and that's my dogs in the background, you guys. Okay, I can bring that note that I had there. I can delete that note because that already happened. Delete that, that already happened. All right, and then I can bring my handy dandy vice versa note. Okay, so if we don't see a break here, okay, and we see continuation here to the upside, what would make me confident in that is if we have just like some nice bullish momentum going that way. So I would just get in on a retest. So it wouldn't necessarily be a break, because it didn't have to break through to the upside. But for me to change my approach as far as getting in this trade for a bullish entry, I would have to see continued upward momentum. All right. And some nice size candles. So, but I'm not really in the mindset to take any buys right now on GJ. That's just that's my biased opinion. All right. That's what I'm looking for. So let's see. I'll show you guys. I'll do a short position. All right. And so the market is currently here. But like I said, I want to see it come here before I enter. And then I don't want to see it break that level. All right. And then most of the time I always set it, to like the next QP level or something like that. And I just monitor it, guys. And that's it. All right, guys. So that's literally it. That is how you capitalize on a downtrending market. Okay. It's safe to say that GJ is currently in a downtrend, man. It's safe to say, guys. So, I'll be watching out for that. And then I'll post an updated video tomorrow along with my analysis on gold. Okay. I hope this video was insightful to how to capitalize on a downtrend. If you learned anything, if you liked anything from this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. If you didn't like anything and there's something that I said or did that you don't like and you have some good constructive criticism on how to get better at that, please put that in the comments as well. And make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.